Hey Lancers, advisory today is an important set of information that we want to make sure that we get out to you, but give you a chance to interact and take some of the leadership in helping out our community. And the first way we can do that is by helping out our sophomore student council, exec board, and representatives, because they are leading our school in a peanut butter drive. Their goal for our school is to get over 1,000 units of peanut butter, 1,000 jars of peanut butter. So you can help by donating those jars of peanut butter. And if we reach our goal and surpass that 1,000 jar mark, Mr. Haney will get slimed at the next assembly. That's going to be an important thing that you all want to see. So let's get those 1,000 jars or more of peanut butter. And thanks to the sophomore Stuco class for helping us lead on this one. Today, we also want to talk about an important issue that we've been looking at this whole month, thanks to the work of our social workers and the folks up in student services, particularly looking at the issue of mental health and wellness and suicide prevention. You all know that September is Suicide Prevention Month, and we've done a lot of programming, and the social workers have done a lot of work to help us understand what resources are available. But it's an important part of our conversation to look at what we can access and what's out there when we might need it, and how we can be a help for other people. And so that's what we want to take a look at today. We're going to watch a little bit of a video that asks us to think about our own mental health and what are the stigmas that might be associated with that, but also how can we help other people that are in that need at that moment. But also then to take a chance to identify people in our Shawnee Mission East community that are helpful to us. Who's made a connection with us that if we need to talk to somebody, we know that we can go to them. Who is our one person in the East community that we can go to as an adult or a staff member or a coach that can be a support for us? So we want to explore that and take a look at some of those questions and help identify who those people might be in our community. And finally, we want you all to be aware that you have an effect and you have the ability to help those people around you who are in need of that support. You've seen resources out there over the past couple of weeks about Be the One To. And we want to remind you that we all can help each other in this important work in preventing suicide. Be the one to ask. Be the one to keep somebody safe. Be the one to be there for that person, and be the one to help them connect, but also be the one to follow up. So let's think today about who is our one person and how can we be the one to somebody else who might need us, to ask, keep them safe, to be there, to connect them to resources, or to follow up. Let's start talking about this important topic.